Have you ever looked at a perfectly manicured backyard soccer field and thought, I should dig a massive hole right in the center circle? No? Well, this guy did. Watch how smoothly he pulls up these perfect squares of sod. It's like slicing through butter. First up, clearing out the topsoil. Out with the green, in with the brown. But we are just getting started. Time to dig deep. And I mean really deep. Layer by layer, shoveling out the earth to create a massive subterranean vault. Just a little final cleanup on the edges to make sure everything is completely level. Enter the heavy machinery. Watch how perfectly this custom steel container drops right into the slot. Talk about a snug fit. Next, we're framing the roof with heavy duty timber. Gotta love the sound of that impact driver locking things down. Throwing down a waterproof barrier and burying it right back under a layer of fresh soil. Replacing the grass squares like a jigsaw puzzle. From above, it looks completely untouched. A secret hidden in plain sight. Now for the good stuff, the interior, adding wood framing directly to the container walls to prep for insulation. Insulating, paneling, and cutting out the perfectly round slots for the recessed ceiling lights. Snap your fingers and it transforms into a sleek, modern, poured concrete bunker. Adding the furniture, and there you have it. The ultimate secret underground home office and lounge. Rate this build from 1 to 10.